Drone technology has advanced a lot in this scientific age, and every few months a new model comes into the market. Today we are going to introduce a ATTOP W80 GPS drone that will amaze you. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. A ATTOP W80 GPS drone comes in a solid box with attractive look. Let's unbox it and see package contents. The drone comes in a beautiful case with the logo of ATTOP. Now unzip this case and you can find user manual and a quick guidebook. You can see 4 set of arm blades, a complete set of screws, 1 USB charging cable, a screwdriver, a battery charging hub. You can also see charging slot at charging hub, a couple of batteries. The battery design is so beautiful, and you can also find on or off button to see charging level on front of the battery. The battery can fully charged about 4 to 5 hours, which provide an hour flight. You can find 2.4 GHz controller box in the case. The controller box has 2 foldable working antennas at the top. You can also find video record button and camera adjustment wheel on the left side. You can adjust it from 0 degree up to 90 degree. You can find picture taking button and speed adjustment button on the right side of the controller box. You can also find holder compartment at the top of the box. At the bottom of the box you can see charging port. You can also find foldable controller grips. You can see 2 joysticks and LCD screen at front of the controller. On the right side of the box you can see power button. On the LCD screen you can see signal bars, drone battery level, GPS connectivity and speed modes. You can find motor on or off button below joysticks of the box. You can also see 2 more buttons near the handles. Right side key for take on or take off, and left side key is gyro key. Now you can see a ATTOP W80 GPS drone that looks so amazing. Let's install its battery. Weight of this drone is 545 grams. Firstly, I show you demonstration of this drone, then I will show the settings. Now take flight test of this ATTOP W80 GPS drone. You can fly this drone with a range of 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet, and its FPV range is about 800 meters or 2,624 feet. You can fly it both forward and backward. The drone with camera is equipped with 2-axis motorized gimbal that provides superior camera stability and higher wind resistance. The ATTOP Drone W80 with a 4K EIS camera has greater stability for capturing images. Its 4K UHD image quality is more transparent and has a 90 degrees adjustable lens to capture more wonderful images. The drone is equipped with a sophisticated GPS system, so you don't have to worry about losing your SkyQuad drone even if the battery is low or the signal is lost. With one single click, it will come back to you. The point of interest, waypoint flight, and follow me are added for the fun of filming outdoors. When follow me is enabled, the SkyQuad drone will follow you wherever you go. The ATTOP 4K drone is equipped with a brushless motor for a more powerful operation, lower noise and longer service life for stable and fast drone flight. Beneath of this drone you can find sensor, 2 LED lights and vents at different places. You can also find SD card slot at side of the drone. You can use 128 GB SC card. Now let's start its setup and pairing this drone with controller box. Press power button of drone to start and then switch on power button of the box. The drone takes few seconds to pairing with controller box. Now you can set its calibration horizontally or vertically with camera before fly this drone. And the camera will auto adjust its compass position. When drone is completely pairing and calibrated, you can set it with Wi-Fi connectivity via app. Open Wi-Fi of your phone and connect it with W80. You can download a ATTOP View app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Once you have downloaded this app, connect it to Wi-Fi, it completes its calibration and settings automatically. You can see app interface like this. Here you can see 3 options: device, gallery, and after sale. If you are beginners, you can study this diagram. Now you press setting icon for more settings options. Here you can find menu at left side. You can off or on novice mode. You can adjust flight distance, flight height and save it. You can set its radius from this menu. You can also set here its gimbal, calibration, roll adjustment, and pitch adjustment. After this you press home key at top. All recording you can find here. So, this was today's review, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description, go and visit. Before leaving, please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell notification icon for upcoming review videos.